Hello, I'm Clara, founder of Cosy Cottage Soap, and I'm just going to take you through today what I do using our own products, of course, every day. Well, maybe not quite every day, but this is what I should do every day. So, starting off then with our Chamomile makeup remover. So this is one of our customers' firm favourites. This is a lovely, melty, natural product. You just rub it into your skin and it is absolutely great for removing foundation. Works well on waterproof mascara. It works really, really well. It smells glorious, beautiful, natural distilled chamomile flowers. A little bit on the forehead there, and then it just rubs off. You can either use a damp cloth, slightly damp, or a dry cloth. So I'll just pop a little bit of water on there, and then we can just sweep that off, and that will bring all of your foundation, all of your waterproof mascara with it. So that's step one. And then on to step two. So this is one of our most iconic products. This is soap. Something interesting about this, not only is it vegan, so it's suitable for vegans, but it's also a soap which is non-drying on the skin. So all we do with this product is we create a lovely lather in our hands, so you can see that lathers absolutely beautifully, and the lather that this soap produces is a very, very tight, creamy lather. So there we are, and then what we can do is we use that on our skin and it goes on absolutely beautifully, really smooth. Now I'm fine with this in my eyes. If you have sensitive eyes, I would suggest avoid your eyes. But this creates the most lovely lather and it will remove all dirt, all debris, all traces of everything left behind. We get great feedback about this product from people with sensitive skin, with acne, with psoriasis, with eczema. And some people also will use this as an all-over body soap as well. So that lovely moisture from the shea butter. So we just remove this again with our soft damp cloth. Right, next step. We move on to our all-natural facial scrub, and what this has in it is little scrub particles. So these particles are little bits of ground jojoba seed, and they are great. So I use this mostly towards the middle of my face, which tends to be the area that would get greasy, if any area were to get greasy. And you get a nice exfoliating feeling here to bring brightness to the skin. Skin is marvellous, absolutely marvellous, but one thing it's not so great at is getting rid of its own dead skin cells, so they can create quite a lot of dullness, and that's where exfoliation comes in. And again, a quick rinse with a damp cloth. Now, this next product, this is our Aloin enriched facial mask. So Aloin is the active ingredient in aloe vera, but interestingly, there's more of it in kelp. And this kelp in this particular mask is harvested from Scarborough, from the North Sea coast, fairly near here. And this really is a soothing, whoops-a-daisy, someone's tightened the lid quite firmly on this. I can't get the lid off.
You twisted it the wrong way.
There we are. Thank you, Chloe. There we are. Right. Lovely. Aloin enriched facial mask. You can use it just as an overnight, so you could put quite a lot of it on before you go to sleep. It's got an absolutely lovely relaxing fragrance as well, so great before you go to sleep as a sort of nighttime treatment. but great during the day too, as a treatment to rub on your face and perhaps leave and relax for 10 minutes. Just take 10 minutes for yourself. Now, most of us don't have time for that every single day, but maybe a twice a week, 3 times a week treat. Now, I'm not going to rub this all over my face right now because we'll run out of time. So I'm going to just put some here on my hand. And what you'll be able to see, you can see it melts beautifully at the temperature of your blood and your skin. And you can just see how rich and long lasting that is. That was just a tiny bit that I took there. And that you can imagine, looking at that on my hand, what that's going to be doing for your face and the sort of moisture boost you're going to get from that. Now we've got a choice of 2 products for our next product. We make 2 different facial serums at Cosy Cottage. Now this is our rejuvenating facial serum. This was our original serum, very much loved by the customers who have been buying this for a long time. This has honey in it, it has rosehip oil in it, so very, very rich in vitamin C, antioxidants. It also has raspberry leaf oil, raspberry seed oil in it. So this is a very enriching, rejuvenating serum. My favourite, however, is this slightly different serum, which we brought out a little bit later than the first. And this is our Marula oil and frankincense serum. So the smell of this is absolutely divine. Frankincense and lavender go beautifully together. And then we don't need much. You know, this 30 milliliter bottle is going to last a long time. Marula oil is a very, very short chain fatty acid, so it absorbs very easily into the skin. So we're putting quite a good layer on here. I put a few drops on my hand, and what we do, we just sweep that over the skin and it will soak in. Just leave it for a few moments and then you'll be able to put makeup over the top of it. And this is absolutely my favourite. You can keep this in your handbag, you can take it away with you on holiday. If you only had room for 1 product in your suitcase, this would be it for me. And then finally, the final touch, the face cream. Face cream, again, that we have been making for some time at Cosy Cottage, and that remains one of our customers' standbys. So again, no water in our products. You just need a tiny little bit. There we are. That's going on beautifully. Again, smells absolutely glorious. And then we can moisturise that in. Okay. So thank you for sticking with me as I went through my daily facial care routine.